This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: device OS, storage, and account sign-in so the app can run smoothly. Once signed in, grant camera, location, and notification permissions. These enable key features. Now open the Control Center app and tap the primary dashboard tile to start. This first action gives you access to toggles and widgets. Make sure to sync any paired devices before proceeding, because an unsynced device can block later steps. Next, customize the Control Center layout so your most used controls are front and center. Drag toggles, resize widgets, and save the layout. This speeds up daily tasks. Then set automation rules, time-based or trigger-based, and adjust notification levels so alerts are meaningful, not noisy. After that, link external devices such as speakers or smart lights and run a connectivity test. If a device fails to connect, retry pairing and check Bluetooth. To finish, save all settings and perform a full feature test. Toggle each control, trigger automations, and confirm notifications arrive. If something doesn't behave as expected, revoke and re-grant the relevant permissions, because that often resolves access issues. Make sure to restart the app, and if needed, reboot the device to clear transient errors. Key troubleshooting tip: if a control still fails after those steps, check for an app update and reinstall. That usually fixes corrupted installations or version mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.